Lakeside High School East program empowers students to tackle real-world challenges using industry-standard technology while also building connections within the community.
In this section, we're diving into the heart of what makes our project stand out: sophistication. From innovative problem solving to leveraging cutting-edge technology, these projects demonstrate the high level of thought, planning, and execution that East students bring to the table. Let's take a closer look at how our projects exemplify the spirit of creativity, collaboration, and forward thinking that East is all about. One project that exemplifies the sophistication of the Lakeside East program is called Nifty. Nifty is a project where two students, Sierra Lemus and Natalie Runsteller, are working together to create an app with the same name. Nifty will become a multifunctional tutoring app that helps AP students in all aspects of their classes, from scheduling study time to promoting positive mental health. Their partners Kathleen Parsons and Katie French are helping to provide tutoring and counseling for the app. The students are still in their design process and are working with Xcode to manufacture their app. Another highly sophisticated project from the Lakeside East program is Bird Island. In this project, Lakeside freshman Georgia Weatherford set out to learn a specific phenomenon occurring in Lake Ouachita. Partnered with the Mountain Pine East program and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Georgia is determined to learn about and educate the public as to why a single island in Lake Ouachita attracts upwards of 1,000 birds a day. She has used drones and drone mapping to create a story map on the island that explains the phenomena occurring here.
The project that I'll be presenting is my own, and the name of it is Lakeside Traffic Flow. The goal of my project is to create a safer turn between Lakeside Road and Malvern Avenue. This would help lower accident rates and prevent further injuries. Over the past 5 years, there's been over 15 accidents at this intersection, and that includes students in those wrecks. This turn has become a dangerous area because of its high traffic and low visibility. With new drivers on campus too, everything can be so much more dangerous. Lakeside Road is a crucial access point for parents, staff, and students because of its center access of the campus. Having the road as a 2-lane during school hours is very dangerous because as it gets blocked so easily, parents already try to go around where they're supposed to be in line. The proposed solution for this project is to make Lakeside Road a one-way during high traffic hours at school. So this would mean 7 o'clock to 8:30 a.m. and 2:30 to 4 p.m. Having it as a 1-lane would eliminate the left turn at Lakeside Road in Malvern, which would kind of solve what the wrecks are where the wrecks are happening. So to push this out, we would use signage at the road, and students could help create and make those and light them up so that everyone would know that it was a one-way. They wouldn't need to repaint the road or do anything to the road, but it would just be one way from Malvern Avenue and Lakeside all the way to the other side of Lakeside Road, which also connects to Malvern.
The East program at Lakeside High School encourages students to not only achieve the best, but fail, because failure builds growth in not only the student body, but the success of the school and their community.
The biggest struggles I've overcame is whenever I had to build a bowl from scratch when my community partner couldn't gain the rights to the bowl. So I spent weeks and weeks trying to learn how to make this bowl, and it kind of didn't go right until I finally started making it, and ever since it's been better.
What inspired you to choose this particular project topic?
I chose to do Benny Biker mainly because I was already working on another book series, but that was a bit more complex production-wise. So I mainly did Benny Biker to have something easier to do. I'm basically I'm using Mr. Stokes' work smarter, not harder thing and putting emphasis on that. I was inspired by The Amazing World of Richard Scarry and how slice of life-ish it is. and how whimsical it can be. And it has a child protagonist, so I wanted to have a little guy in his own little world doing his own little guy things.
East for me has been really helpful because in 10th grade year, I was very quiet, reserved, didn't just help. But then when I joined this class, especially towards 11th grade year, I started getting more open. I was going to join EastCon in 10th grade year, but I decided against it. But instead, I joined it 11th grade year, and it really helped me get out there, learn new experiences and skills.
The EAST program at Lakeside High exemplifies how the program's true strength lies in its collaboration with our local community.
As student champion, I really get to see community collaboration happen every day, and it really helps students build connections.
So Mason, what's your EAST project?
My EAST project is building an outdoor classroom at Hollywood Park, and it's going to be specialized for students with special needs.
So what's your community impact?
My community impact is I'm working with a ton of schools. I've reached out and we're working with Hot Springs, Lakeside, Fountain Lake, and I've even talked to First Step. And all these teachers are helping provide information on what these students need so that we can add this to our design and hopefully fulfill every need that these students will have.
Community collaboration fosters key skills in our students, including teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Through collaborations with local organizations such as Hot Springs Village Animal Welfare Center, Courtney Eubanks, and John Herfel, students gain practical experience and make meaningful contributions. They learn to listen to stakeholders and adapt their projects based on community needs. The impact of their work resonates throughout our community. The EAST program at Lakeside High School is building a more engaged and informed citizenry.